Okay. Hi everyone. Okay, welcome to the Jumbo Educations. So today I want to discuss the Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics 00001. Okay, this is a very special paper, paper 1, not calculated. In this paper you cannot use the calculator for the examination from 2025. Okay, Specimen Paper. Okay, so for the paper 1, okay, calculator must not be used in this paper. It means uh, by solving for these uh, questions, I will going to use the calculators. Okay. Let's see the question 1. Okay, the diagram shows the graph of the y equals to modulus where fx equals to cubic function. Find the possible extension for the fx in factorized form. Okay. I write out fx because you see this is the cubic functions, right? So I can write in a bracket x plus 1 because this is x-intercept. Okay, 2x minus 1. Okay, here. Okay, and then last is x minus 2. I write out the, okay, okay, now I need to write out the x-intercept first. X equals to negative 1 will becomes this way. Okay, x equals to 1 over 2, so 2x minus 1 to 0. And then last is, so now we need to find this value for the constant. So, okay, now we look here. Okay, this value is 10, right? So you can take hence equals to a bracket is 1, negative 1, negative 2. So you will get 2a equals to 10, a equals to 5. Okay, if you see the a is 5, right? Because all you see is a modulus, actually the graph can show like this way, or this way also can. Ah, so we can write fx equals to 5x plus 1, 2x minus 1, x minus 2, or fx equals to negative 5 x plus 1, 2x minus 1, x minus 2. Let's see the question. Okay, it's a factor of polynomial. The polynomial px equals to 6x cubed plus 8x squared plus bx plus 2, where a and b integers has the factor of x minus 2. Okay, given that p1 equals to negative 2p zeros, find the values of the a and b. Okay, so first, okay, you're going to say have a factorial of x minus 2, so you can take p equals to 0. So you can write here 6 is 2 cubed plus a is 2 squared plus 2b plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, this okay, because okay, 8, okay, 6 cubed, I will get a, 8, 8 multiplies 6, so I will get 48 plus 4a plus 2b plus 2 equals to 0. So, okay, I can take 4a plus 2b plus 15. Okay, try to simplify, so I will get 2a plus b plus 25 equals to 0. So I can write here 2a plus b equals to negative 25. Okay, let this equation in first equation. let's see that these equations P1 equals to negative 2, P0, 0 here in negative 2 is negative 2, 1, okay, 6 plus A plus B plus 2. So we will get 6 plus B plus 8 equals to negative 4. So A plus B equals to negative 12. This is the second equation. So I will take uh, second equations minus first equations. So, okay, negative 8, negative 12 minus negative 5. Okay, so I will take 13. A equals to negative 13. Okay, let's see the B equals to negative 12. Because here is negative 13 plus 13 here. Okay, so I will get positive 1. Okay, let's see the question B. Use your values of the A and B. Find the remainder when Bx equals to Bx is divided by 2x minus 1. Okay, in this case, we need to using the remainder theorems. Okay, so I write out the Bx equations first. Okay, Bx equals to 6x cubed plus A is negative 13 x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, because we need to find the reminders, so I will write in this way. T here is 1 over 2 equals to 6. Here is 1 over 2 here is cube. Minus 13 brackets 1 over 2 square plus 1 over 2 plus 2. Okay, so 6 you will get 1 over 8. And then minus 13 is 1 over 4. And then plus 1 over 2 plus 2. 5. Okay, here I simplify. So so I simplify. So here I will get 3. And here is 4. Okay, so I can write out 3 over 4 minus 13 over 4. I need to change for the denominator. So I will get 2 over 4 plus 8 over 4. So, okay, now I try. Okay, here you will get 10. Here you get negative 10. Okay, negative 10 plus 10, so you will get 0. So the remainder actually is 0. So now look at the part 2. Factorize the px. Okay, so you can know the two factors here, x squared and then 2x minus 1. Okay, so because the space is quite small, by also using the long divisions method to solve it. Okay, so I can take 6x cubed minus 13x squared and then plus, okay, plus x here and then plus 2. Okay, over here. Okay, x right in here. Okay, it's all right here. So x minus 1 and then uh, x minus 2. And then this is your linear. Okay, so I have expand for this two product linear factor of this. So I will get 2x squared. So this I don't involve it. X squared then minus 4x minus x plus 2. So you will get 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. So I write here 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. So okay, 3x, so 6x cubed minus 15x squared and then plus 6x. Okay, so here you get negative 2x squared and then plus, not plus, minus 5x. And then here is plus 2, so you will get, okay, 6, Okay. So plus 1, okay, 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. Here is 0. Okay, so now I can write it out. Dx will equals to 2x minus 1, multiply the x and 2, and then multiply the kx plus 1. Okay, let's see the question. In this question, all the angles are in radians. Write out the amplitude of the 2 cos 1 over 3x minus 1. Okay, so you see, there is 2, right? So your amplitude equals to 2. And then you see the period. Okay, as we know, the period is, okay, 1 over 3, the x equals to 2 times. So x will get 6 times. So your one period is 6 times. Okay, now you see the question C. Okay, on the axis below, sketch the graph of the y. Okay, 2 cos 1 over 3x minus 1. Okay, you need to draw it, uh, x between negative pi and 3 pi. Okay, because the graph is already give you the values for the x-axis and the y-axis, so it's very easy to write it out first. Okay, so now we find for this curve first. Okay, we're going to find the negative one. Okay, we sketch for the 2 cos 1 over 3. After that, you change to the negative one. Okay, and right first. Okay, because it is 0, so you will get 2 here with the price. Oh, you need to remember because this now use calculator. Okay, okay, okay. If I push the 3 times here, okay, so 15 times. Okay, now cos pi negative 1. Okay, so there, okay, negative 2. Okay, okay, so I write up first. Okay, this is your graph before, how to say, before downwards 1 minute lah. Okay, uh, okay, so I just, yes. Okay, okay, so I pause for this part. Okay, now we try to downwards 1 minute. So I will reverse here. Okay, for this part, I will just, okay, okay, and then downwards 1 minute. So your graph will show like this way, and then continue downwards. Okay, we can erase this for this part. Uh, for the guys to understand. Okay, let's see the questions 4. Okay, question 4 is a vector question. Yeah. Okay, let's see the read the question. The parallelogram OABC is such that the OA equals to A, OC equals to C. The point B lies on the OD such that the OD ratio to the BC equals to 1 ratio to the 2. So the point A lies on the AC such that the AE ratio to the EC equals to 2 ratio to the 1. Show that the OB equals to KBE, where the K is an integer to be found. Okay, so now we see how to solve for this question. Okay, so now I try to sketch a diagram here. Okay, because the question already says the parallel of the OAB is right. So I can try to sketch it out first. Okay, so O, okay, A is B, okay, here is B, and then here I just put point C. Okay, OA and then OC, okay, A and C. Okay, now we see, okay, D will links on the OC. Okay, D, okay, it means I just put here, okay, point D. Here on the OC, so the OD will reduce to 1, DC is 2. Okay. Now I see the point E, okay, on the AC, so I skip here. Okay, so I just select it the E here. So, okay, AE is 2, so AC is 1. Okay, now we need to, just OB equals to, okay, OB equals, okay, it means we need to show, okay, but actually it's not, no. Okay. So we need to show these two lines are parallel. And then you also need to find the values of the k. So let's see how to find it. Okay, now we start to find the OB first. Okay, OB actually is very easy to find it. So OB equals to, okay, A plus, okay. So we need to find out uh, AC and then one constant value at here. Okay, so now we find the DE. Okay, so now how we need to find the DE's with vectors? Okay, first, because here is opposites, right? And then we moving to the A. And then A going to the E. Actually, also can. So now we can try. Okay, because it's opposite direction, so we take negative 1 over 2 C plus A. And then plus, okay, carefully, so C here. Mm, okay, let me, 2 over 2. Okay, before we find out, we find the AC first. AC equals to negative A plus C. Okay, so we can take 2 over 3 because here is given 2's. So we can write here negative A plus C. Negative 1 over 3C plus A minus 2 over 3A. And then plus 2 over 3C. So, okay, 2 minus 1, we will get 1 over 3C. And then plus 1 over, yeah, 1 over 3C, A. So you can factorize 1 over 3 here, A plus C. Yes. Okay, so now we can write here. Okay. Okay, the values here is equals to 3. Yeah, it's 3. Why? Okay, now I can try to multiply here. 3 equals, okay, 3DE will equals to A plus C, because C is the same, right? So we can compare here. OB will equals to 3DE. Yeah, so they are parallels. Okay, just different the multiple scalar. Okay, let's see the question 5. Okay, question 5 is a logarithmus question. So let's see how to solve for this question. Question A. Given that the log base A p plus log base A 5 minus log base A 4 equals to log, okay, base A 20. Okay, so you see all is the base A, right? For this part, we can change to the single logarithm. So we can write here log, okay, A 5p over 4 equals to log A 50. So 5p over 4 equals to 20. So p will equals to 20 multiply 4 over 5. So this is 1 4 equals to 16. Okay, let's see the question B. Okay, solve the equations 3 power 2x plus 1 and then plus 8 3x minus 3 equals to 0. So we need to separate. Okay, now I copy the question first. Okay, now I can try to separate first. Okay, now I can take 3 is 3x square plus 8 is 3x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so I can write let u equals to 3x here. So you will get 3u squared plus 8u minus 3 equals to 0. So factorize out, so you will get 3u here, uh, with 3 here, 1. Because we need to get the positive 8u, so I can multiply, okay, 9u here, and then minus 1u. So you will get 3u minus 1, u plus 3 equals to 0. So u equals to 1 over 3, u equals to negative 3. So this is just in law. We take this with 3x equals to 3 negative 1. So we can take x equals to negative 1. Let's see the questions. Solve the equations for log base y3 plus log base 2 y equals to 4. So I can change to the base first. Is 2 plus log base 2y equals to 4. So I can get here 4 plus bracket log 2y squared equals to 4 log 2y. So bracket log 2y squared minus 4 log 2y here and then plus 4 equals to 0. So okay, I can try to factorize out and let u squared minus 4u plus 4 equals to 0. So I can factorize u, and then 2 minus minus. So we will get u minus 2 squared equals to 0. So u minus 2 equals to 0. U equals to 2. So I can take log base 2y equals to 2. So y you will get answer is 4. Let's see the question 6. Fx equals to 3 e 2x plus 1 for the x. Okay, for the x and dx. Okay, x subsets to the real numbers lah. Okay, so let's see the part one. Write out the range of the f and the range of the g. Okay, as we know, this is the exponent functions, right? Because move one units, it means what? So the fx will more than for the range will more than one. So you can write here fx. Okay, capital T fx will more than one. And then range for the gx, okay, y subset to the real numbers. Let's see the part two. Find the composite functions. Okay, actually it's very easiest way. Okay, we don't need to doing the composite functions like equations. We can do it faster. Okay, because we try to separate first. Okay, for the g, okay, you see x equal to 0, right? So g 0 here, so you will get 1. So g here is 1. So you put against 1, you will get 2. Because there's one mark only. You don't do the functions. Let's find out the for this. Okay, so you take f g 2 0 because 2 here is 2, right? So you just put inside here. 3 e 2 here is 2 plus 1. So I will show you will get the answer is 3 e power 4 plus 1. Okay, now let's see the part 4. Okay, on the axis below, sketch the graph of the y equals to fx and inverse function for the fx. Okay. State the intercept with the coordinate axis and the equations of any asymptotes. Okay, whatever I want here, y equals to 3e2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 1. So, okay, we know that y, eh, okay, the asymptote will be here. Okay, y equals to 1. Okay, now we find the y-intercept. Okay, with the zeros. Now I will take 3, that equals 4. Right here, x equals to 0. Then y equals to 0 plus 1. So we will take 4. So here is 4. Okay, we need the labels. It's 1. Okay, here. I need labels for 4. So now we can very easy to sketch the inverse functions because we already labels these equations. This graph. So now I labels here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so so this part. Okay, here's 1. Okay, so my curve will show in this case 4. Okay, okay, but please don't forget to label the fx and inverse function. Okay, tada, finish. And this other side. Okay, okay, y equals to x. Okay, so already finished. Okay, let's see the b. Is the given that h x equals to a plus b over x squared, where a and b are first explain why x x between -2 and 2 is not suitable domain for the hash x. So as we know, is undefined. Okay? Undefined x equals to 0. Now let's see the part 2. Give that h1 equals to 4 and the first derivative when x equals to 1 equals to 16. So you need to find the value of the a and b. Okay, so now I text here a plus b equals to 4. So first derivative, okay, a already cancels lah, so you just get plus negative 2, so negative 2 b negative 2 equals to 16. Okay, so answer puts 1 negative 2 equals to 16. So negative 2 b equals to 16. So b you will get negative 8. So a minus a equals to 4. So a equals to 12. Okay, so you get that. So now let's see the question 7. So this is a series question. In analytic positions, okay, the 5 terms is equals to 1 over 3 over 16 terms. Okay, what is the name for this sentence? It means we take u5 equals to 1 over 3 use 16. Okay, so let's see the next question, next sentence. The sum of the 5 terms and the 16 terms is equals to 33. Okay, so you take use 5 plus use 16 equals to 33. Yeah, like this. Okay, now I try to split out A. Okay, now I see the question. Okay, find the sum of the first 10 terms for this position. So first, you need to find the first term and common difference. So now I will express out A plus 4D equal to 1 over 3 here. A, this, okay, I so need to separate out first. So I write here A plus 4D equals to 1 over 3 bracket A plus 15D. Okay, so I get 3A plus 12D equals to A plus 15D. So here I get 2A equals to 3D. So A will equals to 3 over 2D. Okay, so I write A plus 4D plus A plus 15D equals to 33. So here you will get 2A plus 19D equals to 33. Okay, so I can put here A, so okay, 3 over 2D plus 19D equals to 33. So I can cancel. So now we get 2D equals to 33. So D will equals to 3 over 2. Okay, so now I can put here A equals to 3 over 2 times 2. So at 2 you will get 9 over 4. So now I can find out the 10 terms, the sum of 10 terms. So F equals to equals to 10 plus 2, 2, 9 over 4 plus 9 brackets 3 over 2 here, 5, 9 over 2 plus 27 over 2. So it equals to 5, so 36 over 2 here. So you get 5 18 will equals to 19. Okay, so now I continue the 7 Okay, in geometric coordinates, the sum of the first two terms in the is equals to 16. So, okay, 16. Sum to infinity is equal to 55. Find the possible values of the first terms. So, I can write out here equals to 16. And the sum to infinity equals to 25. Okay, this geometry. So, as I confirm now, the uh, the common ratios were less than 1 and or more than -1. So we can write A bracket 1 minus Rn over 1 minus R equals to 16. So this is A over 1 minus R equals to 50. So I can write here 25 bracket 1 minus Rn equals to 60. So 1 minus Rn equals to, or can I use calculator? Okay, 16 over 25. So Rn will equals to 1 minus 16 over 25. 25 minus 16, we will get 9 over 25. Okay. So Rn will equals to, and, okay, it's 2. Forgot to put it to 2. So, okay, possible. So it is possible. So we will have 2 values for the common ratio. So we can take positive and negative 3 over 5. And then we can try to find out the first term. Okay. A equals to 25 brackets 1 minus 3 over 5. When R equals to 3 over 5, this R equals to negative 3 over 5. A equals to 25, 1 plus 3 5. So here you get 25 brackets 2 over 5. So 1 is 5 equals to 10. After that, here is 25 bracket 5 plus 3, you will get 8 over 5 equals to, okay, is 5, 40. Okay, so we get the possible value for the first term. Okay, let's see the question 8. Given that the integrates, okay, you need doing the integrates part here. Okay. So you need to find the values of the A, and we know that A will more than the 1, less than -1, less than 1. Okay, so now we try start. Okay, questions. So I can write here ln brackets 2x plus 3 plus ln 3x minus 1 and then minus ln x here. A 1 equals to ln 2.4. And then I can combine it as a single logarithm. So I can write here ln bracket 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1 over x here. A 1 equals to ln 2.4. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so we can put the value of the A. So it's ln 2A plus 3 is 3A minus 1 over A. And then minus is 1. So, okay, 2 plus 3 will get 5. Okay, here is 2. Okay, 1. So, we're equals to ln 2.4. Okay, and now we can write here. Okay, ln 2A plus 3 and then 3A minus 1 over here A. And then minus is ln 10 equals to ln 2.4. And then we can, ln 10 you can move to the right hand side. Okay, I can take ln 2A plus 3 3a minus 1 over a. Because here is plus, right? So you can multiply, you can write ln 24. Okay, because you see the both sides is lost, right? Actually, you can take out 2a plus 3, here's brackets. 3a minus 1 equals to 24a. So you can multiply 6x squared, a squared. I can write it out plus a squared, a not plus, and then minus 2a plus 9a, and then minus 3 equals to 24a. So 6a squared plus 7, the 7 is, so, and then minus, sorry, I forgot the 24 is not here, so I can take a squared plus 9a minus 2a minus 24 is minus 3 equals to 0. So 6a squared, yes, so I can minus 70a minus 3 equals to 0. So you can factorize out 6a is a, 3, 1, negative and positive. So you can take 6a plus 1, a minus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to negative 1 over 6, a equals to 3. For the negative, we need not it because the question already mentioned says a more than 1. So we take a equals to 3. Okay, now we already finished. Let's look at the question B, uh, part 1. Okay, find, okay, derivative for the 6 sine 3x kx, where k is a constant. Okay, we need to derivative for this equations, this trigonometry. Okay, so how you need to do? Okay, we can try to looking like this way. Okay, here is 3 power 3, right? Then right, put the big brackets here. Bracket sine kx is over 3. So I can write here 6. Because the c is line, yes, you can use a power screw. So you can write 3 sine 2. Okay, reduce to the 2. And then you multiply for this. Sine will become as cos. Cos x. Okay. And then you also need to multiply against for the not multiply for the k, so I can write out here k. Okay, so will equals to 18 k cos x, and then sine, and then sine is square x. So already done. Now let's see the part 2. Hence find out the integrations. Okay, okay, 2x. So now you can try okay, for this question. This one will write out here. Okay, this sine square 2x, and then cos 2x. So if we want to later for this question, for the part 1, okay, so we know, okay, the right here, d dx, okay, 6 sine 2 is 3x here, x equals to 18 here is 2, cos 2x sine square 2x. Okay, so we equals 36, okay, sine square x, and then cos x. So we need to have a 36 values here. So you can write 36 integrate 36 sine square 2x cos 2x dx. Okay, so now we can try to integrate back here. 1 over 36 here, 6 sine cube 2x plus 3. So it equals to 1 over 6 sine cube 2x plus c. Okay, let's see the question 9. Okay, it's a kinematics question. In this question, the units are meter and the second. The particle P is traveling in a straight line. Its accelerations away from a fixed point O at the times T. Okay, is the given that given by A equals to 3T plus 2 power negative 1 of T, where T is equals and more than 0. When the T equals to 2, T is traveling with a velocity 8. Now, this is very important information. When the T equals to 2, the velocity equals to 8 meters per second. And the displacement equals to negative 4.8 meters. Okay, let's see the A. Find an expression for the velocity of the T at the time T. So, how you solve it? So, we need to integrate. So, integrate 3T plus 2 negative 1 over 3 dt. So, we're equals to 3T plus 2 P mu plus 1. So, you will get 2 over 3 here. The 3 plus C. So now I can take, okay, the simplify goes to 1 over 2 bracket 3T plus 2, 2 over 3, and then here is plus C. Okay, I write here 8 equals to 1 over 2 bracket 3. Okay, here's 2 plus 2, 2 over 3 plus C. Okay, because this paper we cannot use the calculator, so I need to calculate as manually. Okay, so I can take 8 equals to 1 over 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 over 3. So I can change for this value. It becomes 2 power 3 here. 2 over 3 here is cancel. So you will get 4. 4 divided 2, you will get 2 plus 2. Okay, so your C equals to 6. So I can write out B equals to 1 over 2 bracket 3T plus 2 power 2 over 3 and then plus 6. Okay, let's see the B. Explain why P at never rests. Okay, because we know, you see these equations, when T is more than 0, right, the V will more than 0. Okay, let's try out. Okay, if I put the 0, okay, 0 plus 2, 2 over 3 plus 6. So you will get something's value here. Max is a positive values lah. Okay, so as we know, so this the moments of the P or particle P will be not rest. Okay, let's see the C. Find the displacement of the T from the O when T equals to 25 over 3. Okay, so we can copy for these velocity equations first. Okay, so I write down here is here. Okay, so I need to integrate now. That S equals to integrate 1 over 2 bracket 3T plus 2, 2 over 2 plus 6 dt. 6. Okay, so I can take 1 over 2 here. Okay, 3T plus 2 plus 1, 5 over 3 over 5 over 3 is 3 plus 6 60 plus C. So cancel 1 over 10 bracket 3T plus 2 plus 60 plus C. Okay, so we need to use it back for this information. So we can take negative 4.8 negative 4.8 equals to 1 over 10 is 3 is 2 plus 2 5 over 2 plus 6 2 plus 2. A plus C. So, okay, here I will get negative 4.8 equals to 1 over 10. Okay, 8 pi over 3 plus 12 plus C. So negative 4.8 equals to, okay, so 1 over 10 here. 2, 3, so we will get 32 pi over 3 plus 12 plus C of 32. Okay, so no, pi over 3 is there again. Okay, 32. Okay, okay, now we need to find the, okay, find the C, but D. Okay, so now we need to find the values of the D. Okay, this here, D equals to negative 4.8 minus 3.2 and then minus 12. Okay, let's see the value. Okay, 4.8 plus 3.2, you will get 8. So you minus, you will get negative 20. Okay, so you can write out S equals to 1 over 10 here, 3t plus 2, 5 over 3 plus 60 minus 20. Okay, we already done, but we need to find the displacement when the t equals to 2 over 3. So you need to substitute the values here. So S equals to 1 over 10 divided 3 bracket 25 over 3 plus 10 brackets plus 2, 5 over 3 plus 6 here, 25 over 3 minus 20. So we're equals to 1 over 10 here. Cancel, 25 plus 2, 27. So here's 5, 3 plus since here 2 is 15 minus 20. So, okay, 1 over 10, 3 over 3 here, 5 over 3 plus 15 minus 20. Okay, answer. I will get the values. So 3 is power 5. Okay, separate out, multiply 3. So here's 9 multiply 9 multiply 3. Okay, 51 multiply 3. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, 243. Okay, so 1 over 10 here is 243 plus 30. So you will get 24.3 plus 13. So we're equals to 54.3 Newton. Okay, so we already done for this pages. Okay, so now we look at the question 10. The center 2, negative 4. Okay, and radius 3. The line y equals to 2x minus 3 intersect the circle at the points A and B. The perpendicular bicycle of the line AB intersect the circle uh, at the points A, X, and Y. So find the area of the triangle AX, B1. Okay, this question is a new topics for the IGCSE Additional Mathematics with coordinate geometry of the circle. Okay, so now we see for this circle first. Okay, for this circle, okay, the center has here 2, negative 4. Okay, radius is 3. Okay, but we have a line intersects for this curve here. Okay, so we have the coordinate A and B. Okay, A and B. Okay, if we find the midpoint, yes. Okay, so this midpoint, okay, will crossing to the center. Wait a minute. Okay, we're crossing at here. So here is your midpoint. Two, three, four, here. Okay, so now we can try to find Uh, Here it is. Okay, so I can labels x, x and y. Okay, so I can draw it out first. Okay, you can see this shape is just like kites. Yeah. So what is your next steps for those doing this parts? So first you need to find the points of the A and B. Okay, first we need to form the equations of the circle. So we can take x minus 2 square plus y plus 4 bracket squared equals to 3 squared. Yeah. Okay, we can substitute in this question, 2x minus 3 plus 4 squared equals to 9. So we can start simply first. 2x plus 1 here squared equals to 9. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals to 9. So we get 5x squared minus times 4 equals to 0. So we can take 5x squared equals to 4, x squared equals to 4 over 5. So x squared equals to positive negative 2 thirds 5. And then we see the y, okay, for the y coordinate, okay, we don't need to write in the decimal place because we cannot use the calculators, right? So we just write in the search form only. Okay, so try to take 2. Okay, if there is put positive negative 2 search 5 minus 3. So you will get uh, two possible answer, positive and negative. Okay, brackets 2 and for only start 4 search 5 minus 3. Okay, so when we separate out, okay, y equals to 4 6 5 minus 3, and then 1 is 4 negative here, 6 5 minus 3. So I can write here. Okay, if I put positive, sure, I will get the positive, so I will write here, negative part, negative 4 6 5 minus 3. Then here is 2 6 5, then 4 6 5 minus 3. Okay, so already done. So now we can, okay, so we can find the area, the length. Now we can find the length AB. Okay, so how we find it? Okay, first we take the negative 2 sub 5 minus 2 sub 5 square, and then plus, yes, brackets, uh, the negative 4 sub 5 minus 3, then minus 4 plus 5, and then here's plus 3. Okay, so here we will get negative 4 sub 5 square, and then plus, here's negative 8 sub 5 square. Because you don't have calculator, you need to uh, calculate as step by step. So here you will get 16 over 5, and then plus 64 over 5. So 64 plus 16, you will get 18 over 5. Okay, 18 over 5, so you will get 18 over 5. Square 5, which is 3, okay, 16. So you will get equals to 4. So it means for this length of the AB is equals to 4 units. Okay. Now we need to find the x length of the x because we know area of kite equals to 1 over 2 multiply, uh, okay, height multiply length. Okay, for like this shapes. Okay, this is your L, is H. One, two, three. Okay, so for the length of the XY, okay, now we find it, then XY equals to 6 units. Why is it 6? Because this midpoint is across to the centers, right? Because the radius is equals to 3 units. So, okay, if one circle is completed, okay, we get 6 units. Okay, so now you can find area, okay, area of the tiles here, the tiles AX dy will equals to 1 over 2 multiply 6 multiply 4. So equals to, okay, here is 2 stuff. Unit, okay, square unit. Okay, we're already done for this paper. Okay, thank you for watching for my this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, we will see you in the next video. So goodbye.